Let us see one more TET question. 2800 is divided among A, B, C such that A gets 25% more than C and C gets 20% less than B. The share of A is what they have given. They have given that there is a sum of 2800 and this sum is divided among A, B and C such that A gets 25% more than C and C gets 20% less than B. What we need to find out? We need to find out the share of A. So they have given that A gets 25% more than C and C gets 20% less than B. That means to know the value of A, we need to know the value of C, and to know the value of C, we need to know the value of B. So we will resolve this dependency in a reverse order. That means first we will assume a value for B, then we will calculate the value of C. Once we know the value of C, we can calculate value of A. So we'll assume value of B to be 100. What is the value of C? They have given that C gets 20% less than B. That means 100 minus 20% of 100, which is 100 minus 20, which is 80. So value of B is 100, value of C is 80. What is value of A? They have given that A gets 25% more than C. So 80 plus 25% of 80, which is 80 plus 20, which is 100. Now what is A is to B is to C? 100 is to 100 is to 80. Now we need to find out the share of A. What is the share of A? A's share is 100 by 100 plus 100 plus 80 into 2800. If you solve this, you will get 1000 as the answer.